spacious living area. So here, this is a part at the beautiful interior work done, which is for your roof and the bed space, which is in the center of the room. Not just a home, but an entire 135 acre of township lifestyle. This is Brigade Orchards. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetil, and today we'll be doing the 2 BHK sample freight tour of Laurel Tower at Brigade Orchards, which is located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore, developed by Brigade Group. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance of the project. So this is the main entrance, and once you enter, the Laurel Tower is on the left hand side and the marketing office is inside this township itself. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview via this 3D model. So basically, Brigade Orchard is 135 acre of integrated township, which consists of multiple towers, where 10 towers are completely sold out. Ebony Tower is under construction, and now they have launched with 2 towers. Those are Maple and the Laurel Tower, focusing upon the Laurel Tower, which is dedicated to senior citizen, featuring of ground plus 8 floor, offering you 1 and 2 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part of this project offers you luxurious plus basic amenities like of restaurant for your meal, clinic for your checkups, housekeeping service, multi-purpose lawn, yoga lawn, garden area, clubhouse and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located bang on Devanahalli main road in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance. So this is the main entrance of our project and about the Devanahalli main road. So this is the Devanahalli main road connecting you towards National Highway, and the opposite side road will take you towards Satellite Town Ring Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Devanahalli Circle in just 5 minutes. Aerospace Park is also 5 minutes away. Satellite Town Ring Road is 10 minutes away. International Airport is again 10 minutes away. Prestige Tech Cloud is 15 minutes away. Mall of Asia is 20 minutes, and Hebbal you can connect in 25 minutes from this project. So now we'll be heading towards your 2 BHK model flat of 1461 square feet super built up area, and we'll start from the foyer area. So here's the foyer area for your privacy, where you can set up your shoe rack space. And the main entrance is right over this side. You can have a look at the main entrance. So once you enter, this is your beautiful and spacious living area. So here, this is a part of the living area where you can set your sofa set, your teapot area, and even the TV unit space, which is right over this side. And just beside the TV unit space, this is a space which you can use in a multi-purpose way. Now about the dining area. So over this side is a dining area where you can set easily 4-seater of dining table with the easy access to your kitchen area. Before heading towards your kitchen area, let me show you the balcony. So this is a connecting balcony with anti-skid flooring. This is wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. Now over this side is your kitchen area. So once you step inside the kitchen area, you can have a look at the beautiful interior work done, which is for your reference, with the L-shaped platform, the white goods, and over here is a sink area and a window provided for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So basically you have to walk through your dining area, and your 2 bedrooms are over this side. Before that, let me mention you that here they will be providing with a sink area. And now this side is your bedroom number 1. So once you step inside the bedroom number 1, you can have a look at the flooring, which is wooden finishing anti-skid flooring. This is a bed space right in the center of the room, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the wardrobe space which is tucked inside, which gives you perfect area to move around inside the room. Now about the washroom. Yes, this bedroom has a private washroom as well. The washroom, which comes with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and even the support bar. The shower area is even divided via tile drop. Now about the bedroom number 2, which is just behind me, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key feature of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are just for you all, so you can grab it by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the bedroom number 2, which is over this side. So once you step inside, you can have a look again on the flooring, which is anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, perfect for you. And the bed space, which is in the center of the room, and there is ample of space to move around. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and again the wardrobe, which is tucked inside, which do not disturb to move around in the room. Now about the private washroom. Yes, this bedroom has a private washroom right over the side, with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, support bar as well, and the shower area is divided via tile drop. So now, as you all know, we are here in Devanahalli location. Have you checked another project in Devanahalli? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned on the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.